Here in today's video, we are revealing profitable Amazon KDP keywords to help you get started making low content and medium content books for. Now, linked in the description box below, you can find 2 free trials that I want you to take advantage of if you do not have an active subscription. First free trial is a 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica, and the second free trial is for a 30-day free trial to Canva Pro that will really help you to format and create and customize your KDP interiors and your KDP covers as well. Now, let's get started with the first keyword for the day. And before we get started, if you are looking for daily videos revealing profitable Amazon KDP keywords, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. Now let's get started with the first keyword for the day, and the first keyword for the day is alien coloring book for adults. Alien coloring book for adults has a keyword niche score of 32. Total results are under 1,000, which is ideal. The average bestseller rank is quite high, yes, I understand, but the intention behind revealing such a keyword in today's video is for you to diversify. Now we create a combination, or we give you and reveal to you a combination of KDP keywords that are, some of them are super profitable, some of them have a keyword niche score around that 60-70 mark, and some of them have the bestseller rank being a little bit too high in order to diversify your portfolio. So what do you do when you come across a bestseller rank that is too high but the total results are under 1,000 and the keyword niche score is something that you could work with? What do you do in this case? For example, such as with this one, alien coloring book for adults, and I do apologize if you could hear any of the background noise. It is the school holidays right now, so please bear with me. So average bestseller rank is 859,000. What do you do in this case? First of all, first strategy is to sub niche in order to really cut down on the bestseller rank being too high, the average. You could sub niche, for example, alien coloring book for adults. You could create like you could add in that horror or that fun or that funny element to it in order to sub niche. For example, you could create a horror alien coloring or a scary alien coloring book for adults. You could create a cute coloring book for alien coloring book for adults. You could create based on different kinds of themes. You could even create anything to do with a not factual but an educational twist to it. So a coloring book that has to do with aliens that is for adults, but add in any sort of fun facts to do with alien research, like for example what the NASA has researched, and a couple of different scientists who had like weird theories. I wouldn't consider it factual. I would consider it more of an educational twist that has a fun element to it, that is based on facts, like as in what the scientists that believe in that alien theory, what they've like their different theories and their different opinions on the findings or anything like that. Just some fun facts inside implemented within that coloring book would really add in that fun element, educational element, and also it would add that perceived value to your coloring book as well. So alien coloring book for adults, take advantage of it, create a book or 2 and then move on to the next profitable keyword. Now the second keyword we have is 2023 large print easy crossword puzzle book for seniors. 2023 large print easy crossword puzzle book for seniors is a great keyword. First of all, keyword niche score 52 beautifully complements with the keyword niche score given by Amazon Scout Pro, which could be found at the bottom left corner, which is a number 7. Amazon Scout Pro has a score between 1 to 9, 9 being the highest, so I'm quite happy with number 7 here. Also, the total results are under that 1,000 mark, which is good to see. The current total results for this keyword is 775. Also, the bestseller rank averages 144,273, which is under that 300,000, 400,000 mark that we would like it to be in. The average reviews are 172 and the average price is $7.81. Now, I do understand as of making this video, it is the 1st of August. It might be uploaded within the next couple of days, as I have some videos scheduled before that. So we are more than halfway through 2023. But if you are watching it in 2023, then you can create books for the remaining of 2023, create a book or two or even three 2023 large print easy crossword puzzle book for seniors for that exact keyword. And that's one strategy to go about it. The next strategy is do not use 2023 in your title or in your subtitle, because that cannot be changed. You can use it as part of your 7 keyword slots, because that could be easily changed and updated according to the changing trends and keywords. So do never use a year as part of your cover or as part of your subtitle. That cannot be changed. Don't include it in your cover. You can include it in your cover. My apologies, because your cover can easily be you can upload a new cover based on the different years. So that's one strategy that you could do, but do not include that 2023 word in your title or subtitle. Just include it in your 7 keyword slots. Write it as it is, and in your title write large print easy color a crossword puzzle book for seniors, as exactly as it has been phrased right over here. So another thing that you could do is just head over to Creative Fabrica, which you can get a 30-day free trial linked in the description box below, and write large print easy crossword puzzle book for seniors. See what comes up. If nothing comes up as I expected, because this is a very long tail keyword, you could just remove the large print and write easy crossword puzzle book or easy crossword puzzle activities, and then remove for seniors, because we can easily customize the interior to be, for example, first of all, for seniors. Second of all, to be a large print by resizing the KDP interior PDF into a 8.5 times 11 inch large print size in Canva. So first of all, we've got a couple of ones. We have a total of 62 results. Always remember to filter out according to the category KDP interior, which leaves us with a pure 47 results out of the 53. And we have a couple of different crossword puzzle for different ones. For example, this one's an easy 75 easy games. This one's more easy games. I wouldn't consider anything Valentine's Day to be for seniors, to be honest. It's more of a different niche and a different theme. So find the interior that you are comfortable with, download it. You can use the free trial linked below to take advantage of that. If you do not have a free trial, if you do not have a active Creative Fabrica subscription, same applies with Canva as well. Upload the PDF to Canva and then change it around to make sure it is first of all for seniors, and then resize it according to the size. If it is not yet in a large print, make sure it is an 8.5 times 11 inches, which falls under that large print. Also, I'd like to take this opportunity and search for alien coloring, because we did not do so for the first keyword, which was alien coloring book for adults. And I just want to reveal for example, when we filter out by KDP interiors, we have a total of the 4 results. Now, if you're not happy with this, which I'm definitely not, I'm happy with the results, you can go ahead and use their Spark tool, which is also included in that 30-day free trial, linked below, and just click on the Spark, and then you have a tool right here, create coloring pages, and give it prompts to create a coloring sheet that has to do with aliens. And then you can increase that the scale of the image, and then upload it to Canva or whatever program that you use to create your KDP interiors, and then create your own alien coloring book if you intend to go into that keyword and diversify your portfolio. Now let's go over to the third and final keyword for the day, which is quotes about crossword puzzle English book numbers. So quotes about crossword puzzle English book number. So it has a keyword niche score of 38 and another keyword niche score of number 9, the highest that you can get in terms of the keyword strength. By Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, it gave us a number 9. Self-Publishing Titans gave us a number 38, which I'm happy with. Total results are super low, which is under 1,000, and they're sitting at 35. We have the average bestseller sitting under 300,000, which is averaging 118,331. The average reviews are 640, and the average price is $10.84. What you're creating here is a crossword puzzle book a crossword puzzle book that is in English that features quotes. So, you know, it's a bit weird to unravel in, but you know, if that's something that you're intending to do, this is a great keyword, and there are a lot of books being sold under this keyword. Take advantage of it. Now, as a summary, first of all, we had the Alien coloring book for adults with a keyword niche score of 32, and then we had 2023 large print easy crossword puzzle book for seniors, and lastly we had the quotes about crossword puzzle English book number. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Make sure you subscribe and click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. Take care. Bye bye.